In methods, string methods, str.isalpha return true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric, alphabetic, and there is at least one character. False otherwise. Alphabetic characters are those characters defined in the Unicode character database as letter, i.e., those with general category property being one of LM, LT, LU, LI, or LO. Note that this is different from the alphabetic property defined in the section 4.10 letters alphabetic and ideographic of the Unicode standard is alpha. Let's see the example. String 1 is equal to ABC 111. Print string 1 dot is alpha. So it is not alphabetic because of 111. Let's type print blank blank dot is alpha. This is also false. Now print ABC dot is alpha, so it is alpha, right? True. String dot is ascii return true if the string is empty or all characters in the string are ascii. False otherwise. Ascii characters have code points in the range of u plus plus 0 to this. Create ASCII string in Python. ASCII string example in Python. ASCII print ASCII apple. Let's print apple dot is ASCII. It should return true, right? Here is decimal. Return true if all characters in the string are decimal characters and there is at least one character. False otherwise. Decimal characters are those that can be used to form numbers in base 10. Example U plus 0666 Arabic hyphen indic digit 0. Formally, a decimal character is a character in the Unicode general category is decimal. Print 1001 dot is decimal. It should return true. If I say A, this is not true. Is digit return true if all characters in the string are digits and there is at least one character. False otherwise. Digit include decimal characters and digits that need special handling such as the compatibility subscript digits. This covers digits which cannot be used to form numbers in base 10, like the character. Formally, a digit is a character that has the property value numeric underscore type is equal to digit or numeric underscore type is equal to decimal. Let's use it digit method. This is not digit. Now it is digit 0.000. It is also digit. Okay, true. str dot is identifier. Return true if the string is valid identifier according to the language definition. Section identifiers and keyword. Keyword dot is keyword can be used to test whether string s is a reserved identifier such as diff or class. From keyword import is keyword. Hello dot is identifier. So from keyword import is keyword. Print hello dot is identifier and is keyword. Hello. This is true, this is false. Now 4. This is a keyword. True, true. Right? str dot is lower. Return true if all cased characters in the strings are lowercase and there is at least one case character. False otherwise. S is equal to apple. Print s dot is lower. This should return true. A. This should return false. Is numeric. Return true if all characters returns true if all characters in the string are numeric characters and there is at least one character. False otherwise. Numeric characters include digit characters and all characters that have the Unicode numeric value property. U plus 2155. Vulgar fraction 1/5. Formally, numeric characters are those with the property value numeric underscore type is equal to digit, numeric underscore type is equal to decimal, numeric underscore type is equal to numeric. Is numeric true? Is numeric false? False? Oh, this should be string. That's why it is giving error. Thank you.